Right, so as you can see, well, it's been a while since I last posted up a video of me actually talking, because we've been very busy. So we have managed to get everything back in the cab. If I pull this up, we've got the seats in, got the dash back in. It may not be perfect, but it is in. And got a little video because we have managed to, we have a torch, 3-point harnesses all ready to go in as well, so we are safe. You know, we had none of the seat belts in when we came in that were working, so we now have seat belts, we have a dashboard, we have the floors are all done, interior done. So feeling pretty chuffed about that. Obviously I've been at work full time, we both work full time, so we've been trying to do stuff in the evenings, and my husband's been very busy doing all the mechanical side of things, and I think we're nearly there. We're near a few more jobs, and hopefully today we can get it running.
Summit one, the Summit one looks the same, obviously slightly different manufacturing, but inside here it's got a little blow off valve as well. This is our Felpro gasket for the water outlet for this. Different folks, different strokes, people do it different ways. The way I play this game, they say that you don't have to seal these up. That obviously goes in first.